Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, I showed you the Windows version of the Crypto Wallet Finder, which was able to achieve around 80,000 keys per second. I explained the full process there. Click the I button if you want to watch that video. Today, I'm excited to show you the Android mobile version of this app. This one is built specifically for smartphones, and it runs really smooth. If you're into crypto tools and apps, you're definitely going to like this. This app is designed to generate and scan Bitcoin wallets directly on your phone. You don't need a PC or a heavy setup, just install it, and you're ready to go. The interface is super simple and lightweight, so anyone can use it. It is built using a flat programming language, which makes it both fast and efficient for Android devices. Let me quickly show you how it works. When I open the app, you can see the wallet keys being generated in real time. The speed is a little slow right now, but I will fix this in the next update, making it up to 3,000 keys per second, or even more depending on your device. I've included a small section of the app in this video so you can get an idea of how it looks and performs. The process runs continuously, scanning keys and checking for active wallets. To run this app, you need a hex file. You can download it from the link in the description. After downloading, just select the hex file inside the app and wait a few seconds. The app will load the entire file at once. Remember, the bigger the file, the longer it takes to load. Now, very important, this app is built for educational and research purposes only. It's meant to demonstrate how wallet generation and scanning works under the hood. I am not encouraging or promoting any illegal activity. Please use it responsibly and only for learning. So that's a quick look at the Crypto Wallet Finder Android app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto and tech content, and drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper into this app. And as always, you can check out all my links in the description, join my Telegram community, and support my work on Buy Me a Coffee.